This week's LAUSD champion is Tara Barakat, a fourth grade teacher at Justice Street Academy Charter School, who has turned her classroom into a vibrant hub of hands-on learning. Tara exemplifies excellence in teaching through her unwavering commitment to academic rigor, emotional support, and inclusive learning. Thank you, Tara. Thank you for going above and beyond to ensure that every child feels seen, supported, and empowered to succeed.
One of my goals as an educator is to make learning as fun and engaging as possible for the kids. I want them to want to come to school and to learn, and when they're engaged, they're learning so much more. Hi, I'm Tara Barakat, a fourth grade teacher here at Justice Street Academy Charter School. I love teaching fourth grade because it's a big year. Jumping from third grade to fourth, and math gets so much harder, and these kids start to discover themselves and want to be more independent, and it's just a year of a lot of growth.
Ms. Barakat is the LAUSD champion because she is kind and never gives up, encouraging us to do our best.
She likes to help us read, and she likes to help us do math.
One of my favorite things about her class, it's very colorful and it's full of everybody's work.
Something that inspires me each day is knowing that I have an impact beyond the academics. I'm teaching students to be resilient and build positive, healthy relationships.
Mrs. Barakat is very collaborative with our parents, with our staff. She's a leader at our school, always teaching with enthusiasm, creativity, and a willingness to try new things. She has a positive energy that inspires everyone to give their best every day.
I think the impact that I hope to have on students is that I want them to see their own potential. I want them to realize their greatness. I want them to push themselves beyond their limits and know that they can do anything that they put their mind to. I love making a difference and knowing that I helped someone.